Hi, it's Fia's Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so let's check your person's emotion. Okay, so ngayong week, no, napaparating, syempre. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po kay Perception of Light. Okay, so ito yung kanyang name sa kanyang FB page kung inyong i-message siya. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay, malinaw? Malinaw. Okay, so, and yeah, if you're interested pagdating sa ating mga items, yes, okay, meron tayong protection from evil eye. We have ring, meron tayong bracelet, dalawa to, no? So, isa yung adjustable, ito yung adjustable. So, nalagyan siya ng initial po ha, ng gagamit. Okay? So, makikita nyo, may 5 colors ng evil eye. So, may kanya-kanya silang ganap. Okay? May kanya-kanya silang job. Oo. So, ito naman is yung ating garterize. Okay? So, this is available in red and black strings. Okay? And, yung ating, necklace. So, yung necklace is ganito. Okay, so ganyan. Yung ating necklace. So, minimalist o yung kanyang pendant. So, ganyan siya. Okay. So, hindi masyadong makita. Maganda talaga eh. Anyway, so this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto. So, yan. Kaya ang ating evil eye necklace. So, meron din tayong patungkol sa love. Okay? So, sa love, bracelet natin is for singles, may mga kakonect na maraming conflict, maraming issue, yan, maraming drama, yan, pwede sa'yo to, tamang-tama sa'yo to, and sa kahit wala nang parang drama sa buhay, oo, yung mga sabihin nating maganda na yung pagsasama, so pwede rin sa'yo to. So magpo-provide pa to ng something, kung ano man, okay, kailangan sa situation. So ito yan, 7 inches long, mula dito sa lock, papunta dito. Okay, so ganyan siya. Yeah. So meron siyang mga pa-shiny, shimmering, splendid dyan na stones. Okay, so heart shape. Okay. So, yung isa natin is yung granter. Si granter necklace. So, ganyan siya. This is unisex. Made to order ang ating granter. Okay, made to order siya. Hypoallergenic and non-tarnish yung kanya pong chain. Pero, pwede kayong gumamit ng ibang chain kung gugustuhin. Ililipat nyo tong pendant kasi yung pendant ang important dito. Yeah. And ano pa ba? Siya yung mahilig magbigay ng surprises. Si granter. Siya yung nag-grant ng minamanifest ninyo, pero alam din niya kung anong dapat at kung anong hindi. Okay? Ganon siya. Pero, sabi ko nga, mahilig siya magbigay ng surprises kahit hindi nyo minamanifest. Siya na yung magbibigay. Okay? Alam niya kung anong para sa iyo. Alam niya kung anong makakabuti sa iyo. Okay. And yung ating pang cord cut. So, ganyan yung ating pang cord cutting. So, si cord cut, inaalis natin dito yung mga, sabi nating baggages. So, na talagang nagpapabigat na sa sitwasyon mo sa lahat ng aspeto. Okay? Para ikaw ay makausad. Hinaharang po nito ha. Siya yung magsisilbing harang para makabalik yung aalisin natin sa inyo. Okay? Whether people, energies, yan, trauma. Okay? So, para kayong i-heal ni cord cut, no? Parang ganon. Yeah, see? Coming from universe, diba? Yung tunog na yun talaga yun yung aking sign na si universe is nakiki-cooperate sa mga sinasabi ko, no? So, again, Yeah, let's start the reading. All signs. You can check your sun, moon, rising, Venus, North Node. Kung alam niyo, mas maganda. Okay, so let's start with Aries placements. So let's see your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings this week. This coming week for you. Tingnan muna natin kung sino ba to. Sino siya? Description. Tingnan natin. Para alam mong siya to. Okay. Aries. Aries placement. Sino tong taong to? Na iniisip mo. Sino siya? The Knight of Swords, Yeah, the Knight of Swords in reverse. Someone na talagang hindi consistent. Hindi siya consistent in general. What's with this? The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Hindi consistent sa lahat. Responsibilities, hindi siya ganun ka, sabihin natin ka-present, mga ganyang bagay. Hindi siya ready to commit. Yeah. Hindi mo tumahanapan ng stability itong taong to. Some of them, may nakikita akong energy na parang andali-dali niyang magalit. Kahit kakaunti lang yung problem. May chance na pinapalaki pa. May ganong energy yung person. So, pwedeng air and pwedeng earth. So, anong meron? Emotion niya ngayon sa'yo. Ngayong paparating na week. Tumago to sa responsibilidad, yung iba sa kanila. Emosyon ng taong to para sa'yo, Aries. Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So, hindi pa rin sila talaga ready to commit, if ever, na naghihintay ka ng commitments from them. The Ten of Pentacles in reverse. And the Nine of Wands. Ayaw nila. Ayaw nila ng commitments with you. Ayaw nila ng family with you. Yeah. You can't trust this person din naman. You can't. Yung iba sa kanila, may chance na andun yung energy na parang isinusurrender niya. Sinusurrender niya or pinapabayaan na lang niya yung connection ninyo. Yes. Okay. So, the Three of Wands is here in reverse now. Like, their back is turned, mga ganyan, nakatalikod sa'yo, hinahayaan ka na lang, pinapabayaan ka na lang. Kung may mga responsibilidad siya sa'yo, well, hinahayaan na lang din niya yun. Yeah. Lahat-lahat. So, kung naghihintay ka ng commitments, naghihintay ka na mag-commit itong taong to, hindi ko nakikita na this week is magiging okay kung ano man ang situation. So, there. Okay? That's sad. Okay, so meron tayong Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have here fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, and air, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, so iba sa inyo talaga, Aries, pwedeng ikaw itong hindi mo na nga talaga inaasahan pa tong taong to. Wala ka naman na talagang inaasahan. I'm sorry. Okay, next, Taurus placements. Okay. So again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings this coming week for you. Pero tingnan natin, sino ba itong taong to? Anong description para sa kanya? Anong description? Para alam mong siya to. Taurus. The Ace of Pentacles. What's with this? Ace of Pentacles. The Six of Cups. Someone na lagi na lang gumugusto ng new beginning with you. Another chance with you. You're seeing this, maybe they see you as their, sabihin natin pang long term na. Some of you, pwedeng asawa mo na to. Meron na ditong malalim na connection. Gusto niya na sabihin natin may mga plano na itong taong to para sa'yo. Nakapagsabi na siya ng mga plano niya, and I think that's true. That's true. Yun nga lang, iba sa inyo, there's this tension surrounding the situation. I don't know why. There's this, blockage. Yeah, the Ten of Cups in reverse. Kung past person mo to, parang bumabalik siya ngayon. Nakikipagayos. Let's see, what is their emotion? Taurus, what is their emotion for you this coming week? The Star in reversed. Why? If this is your past person, hindi pa sila healed. Okay? Why the Star in reversed? The King of Cups, yeah. They love you. Kahit iba sa inyo, sabi ko nga in general, there's a lot of blockages here. It's like, wala akong pakialam. Kahit ang dami-daming blockage dito. Ikaw gusto ko. Nandun yung love ko para sa'yo. Yeah. Wala akong pakialam sa kung ano man yung mga humahadlang sa atin. Wow, parang Romeo and Juliet. Ha? Parang Romeo and Juliet, ah. If this is a new person, they like you, they love you, they have emotions for you, makakuha ka ng kind gestures coming from them. If this is a new person, they will provide something for yours. Like, sabihin nating a surprise, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? The Star in reverse, sabihin natin kahit hindi man sila ganun ka-hopeful dito sa situation, well, mas malaki yung pagmamahal, no, nung taong to sa'yo. Wala siyang pakialam sa mga nakapaligid sa inyong blockages. Wow, this is nice. Okay? Yeah, they love you. Yep. Tingnan pa natin. Kung past person, yes, gusto niyang bumalik. Mahal ka pa rin ni past. Yeah. Two of Pentacles in reverse, Six of Swords, parang, okay, wala akong pakialam sa mga nangyari sa atin. Parang ganyan. Andyan yung energy ng forgiveness. Andyan yung energy ng kalinawan lang talaga, no? Parang umiiral lang talaga sa kanya is emosyon. Okay? Yung love, mas sabihin nating mas mataas yung percentage, di ba? Nung love kaysa sa galit. Yan, mas nangingibabaw. Yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo. Wow, di ikaw na, uwi na. So, Taurus. Okay, so we have here Pisces, Aquarius, Water, and Earth. Okay, next. Gemini. Hi, Gemini. Okay, so diba? Buntong hininga. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Gemini. Let's see your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings this week pagdating sa'yo. Pero tingnan muna natin, sino ba ito? Anong meron sa kanya? Gemini. The Nine of Swords in reversed. What's with that? May chance na itong taong to hindi mo na masyadong iniisip. Pwedeng, kung dati iniisip mo siya ng 20 times a day, no? Ngayon siguro mga 5 times na lang, diba? So what's with this Nine of Swords in reversed? Yeah, the Emperor in reversed. Oh, ito may pagka, sabi nating arrogant. Itong tao. Specific yun, hindi yun para sa lahat. This person is not giving you interest. Yeah, hindi sila nagpapakita ng interest sa'yo, Gemini. Maybe gawa ng ego or pride. Hindi sila nagbibigay ng attention or kung ano man, affection, love. They're self-centered. Yeah. It's like all about me. Parang ganun. May pagka makasarili tong taong to. Iba kasi sa kanila, sanay sila na sila yung binibigyan ng attention. Sanay sila na sila yung binibigyan ng attention. That is why. Let's see. Tingnan natin. Ano bang emosyon ito for you? Yes. Oh, ayaw mo magbigay ng ano, ha? Diba? Papakunwa-kunwari pa to, no? Gemini. Nagtatago. Oo, nagtatago. Tingnan natin. Anong totoo? Sino man to? Pwedeng Aries, pwedeng air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Oops. King of Pentacles. Some of them, they're too busy. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng ano to, boss or somebody who owns a business. Yung mga ganyan. What's with this King of Pentacles? Or sabihin natin masyado lang talagang busy tong taong to, kaya yung ganyan. Mas marami siyang pinaprioritize, no, kaysa sa ganito. Ano tong King of Pentacles? Ten of Swords. Some of them, mas talaga nagfo-focus itong taong to sa finances niya, business, kung ano man, in general, their money, career, job. Kaysa iba kasi sa kanila, parang ayaw nila, parang masasaktan sila or what. Alam ng taong to kung anong mas importante sa kanila. So, yeah. Maybe kung anong pinapakita niya sa'yo. If they're cold, distant, detached, then maybe, yun talaga. Yun talaga. Yeah. Anyway, they're not interested talaga. I'm sorry. Parang pinapakita rin naman niya talaga na hindi siya interesado sa'yo. So, ganun din yung feelings niya. Okay. This person is so busy. You're too busy for this. Yeah, the moon in reverse. Well, nagiging open sila eh. Kung ano yung pinapakita nila sa'yo, yun. Yeah. The star in reverse. Yeah, there's no attraction. Iba kasi sa inyo, may chance na itong taong ito, the Emperor. May mga responsibilidad in general. Maybe you. May mga responsibility ka. That's why they're not interested. I don't know why. Okay, this is general for the Gemini collectives. Okay, so we have here Pisces, Air, Capricorn, and Aries, and air sign. Okay, next, Cancer. So, Cancer yan. So, okay, so let's see your person's emotion, thoughts, feelings this coming week for you. Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cancerian, pasensya na sa naririnig ninyo kung naririnig ninyo yung maritesan dito sa kabila. Okay. So, who's this person? Para makita natin na siya yung person na iniisip mo. Sino ba? Ano bang meron sa kanya? Cancer. The Seven of Pentacles in reversed. So, a time waster. Some of them. Pwedeng inubos lang nitong oras mo. Hinayaan ka. Nag-expect ka from them. What's with the Seven of Pentacles in reverse? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Itong taong ito, specific, no? May chance na talagang tumalikod sa'yo tong taong to. Tinalikuran ka niya. And hindi na siya sabihin nating nagbibigay pa, no? Hindi na siya nagbigay ng, sabihin natin parang kung anong meron before, hindi na ngayon. Nagkaroon ng healthy boundaries, limits, itong taong to sa'yo. Some of them, meron silang anak. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Whether, female or male. Meron silang anak. Hindi na sila naging invested dito actually. Tinalikuran ka. The Nine of Wands. Yeah. Nilayuan ka, tinataguan ka na, or iniiwasan ka na. Yeah. Pwedeng earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What's your emotion? Let's see. Emotion. Nag-expect ka sa kanya. Pero, nandyan yung parang sinasayang ka or may nasayang dito. Tingnan natin. Emotion niya for you. The Lovers, Universe. So, talagang umalis, lumayo. Bakit? King of Cups. Oh! Iba sa inyo. Pwedeng may involve. Okay, pwedeng may involve dito. Yeah, the High Priestess, the Three of Cups, Universe. Iba dito, may chance talaga na nilet go niya tong connection kasi may third party. Malinaw yun sa kanya. Yeah, the Five of Wands, there's a lot of drama. May mga drama dito. Ayaw ng taong to na in general, magkaroon ng maraming issue sa inyo. The Queen of Pentacles, Universe, naglagay siya ng limit. Naglagay na siya ng boundaries dito sa situation. I think, kahit lumayo to, nandun pa rin yung love niya for you. Whether may third party man o wala, nandun yung love niya for you. The King of Cups. Yeah. Temperance, Judgment. Yeah. Itong taong to gumawa ng decision. It's like mind over heart decision. So, yeah. Ito yung parang hindi natin to kailangan pahabain pa. Alam natin kung anong dapat dito. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the King of Swords, Universe. Merong mali. Mali itong connection nyo na to. That is why dumisisyon itong taong to na i-let go itong connection. Pero nandun pa rin yung love niya for you kung gusto mong malaman. Okay, so there. So we have here Scorpio, Sagittarius, Pisces, Gemini, and Earth signs. Okay, so next, Leo. Leo placements. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, Leo. So, sino ba yung tao na yan? Kumuha tayo ng description para alam mong siya ito. Let's see. The Moon in reversed. Pwedeng Pisces. What's with the Moon in reversed? The Knight of Wands in reversed. Ayaw mo or ayaw ng taong ito, I think, no? Ito yung taong parang wala kang nakita sa kanyang direction. It's like kung anong meron sa'yo, kung anong meron sa inyo, currently, yun lang yung mahalaga. This person always, sabihin nating rumirely na lang, dumidepende sa'yo. Kasi sila, I don't know, may chance na meron kayong age gap, age difference ng taong to. Wala silang, alam mo yung lahat itatanong pa sa'yo. Parang ganon. Okay? Lahat itatanong niya sa'yo. Parang wala siyang alam. Parang napaka-immature niya. Na Four of Cups, Reversed. Malaking kawalan pag ikaw umalis sa kanya. Yeah. Magiging malaking kawalan. Pero kahit ganun man, no, tanggap mo to, tong taong to. Tanggap mo siya. Let's see, what is their emotion this week? Emotion, thoughts, feelings for you, Leo. Seven of Pentacles, invested, staying. What's with this? Ace of Wands. Yeah. The Lovers. The Hierophant in reverse. So, makakuha ka ng connection sa taong ito. Yes, gusto nila yung connection, pero commitments, hahanapin mo to. Dito sa taong to. Yeah, nandun pa yung immature pa. Immature pa sila pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. Yes. Mahalaga lang din. Yeah, napaka-invested ng taong to. Yeah, they're like passionate. Magaling to sa ganito. Puro ganon. Babae man, lalaki man, kung ano man ang gender niya. Mas invested siya sa ganun. Hindi sa love. Okay? Pwede kasing younger. Fire sign, Sagittarius to be exact. Pisces, Earth. Attraction rin ang parang mas mahalaga pa sa taong ito. No, hindi pa yung emosyon, hindi pa yung ugali, mga ganyan. Basta ikaw ay open na open sa ganito, yan, nandyan yan. Wala akong nakikita sa kanyang mga solid plans, mga pangmatagalan ng kung anumang plano nga, no? Wala. They like to F. Yun lang. Yun nakikita ko sa taong to. They just want to F. Yeah. Okay. They're not thinking commitments. No commitments. Mas mataas yung energy about lust. Not love. Passion. The Seven of Cups, the Empress, yeah. Alam ng taong to na open ka for them. Kahit ano, ibibigay mo for them. Ganun yung tingin niya sa'yo. So there. So we have here fire, earth, fire, and Pisces. Next is Virgo. Okay, Virgo placements. Hi. So let's check your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings this week for you. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tingnan natin ano ba ang tawag dyan. Description. Oo. Description ng taong to para alam mong siya ito, Virgo. Yeah. Some of you might be dealing with a Gemini. Kasi masasabi ko Gemini. So, Knight of Swords in reverse, they're inconsistent in general. And Death in reverse. May chance na kayo ng taong ito is madalas yung on and off. On and off, in and out. Yan. Okay? Yeah. Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Cups in reverse. Yung iba sa kanila, yung dahilan niya is pang sariling dahilan. Kaya siya bumabalik minsan. Madalas. Kailan kadalas ang minsan? Okay. So, Knight of Swords in reverse, Death in reverse. In and out, itong taong to sa'yo, on and off. May chance na hindi pa kita tapos nitong taong to. Madalas itong ang tawag dyan, mag-back out or mag-walk out, I mean. Madalas siyang mag-walk out. Yeah. Cry baby. May narinig akong ganon. Cry baby. May pagkaisip bata. Yung iba sa kanila talaga. Virgo. Let's see. Could be Scorpio. And air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Let's see their emotion right now. emotion ng taong to sa'yo, Virgo. Two of Cups in reversed. Trying to detach, maybe. Trying to be distant. Trying to distance themselves. Why? The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Itong taong to, nakuha ko sa kanya, hindi malaman ang gusto. Two of Swords, Six of Swords. Gusto niya, yes, sabi na eh. Masyadong in and out to, hindi niya alam kung ano talagang gusto dito. Immature, no? So, Two of Cups in reverse, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Hahayaan lang niya to. Hahayaan lang niya, pero mag-uumiyak. Magngangal-ngal, magngangak-ngak. Kasi gusto niyang bumalik, gusto ka niya, pero ayaw niya. See? They're juggler. They're so indecisive. They're too indecisive. Too much indecisiveness. Okay? The King of Swords in reverse. You don't know kung ano talagang gusto nila. Ang hirap makipag-cooperate. Ang hirap makipag-connect sa ganito, Virgo. Kumusta ka naman? Dadami ang puti mo dito. Okay? Oo, ang wrinkles. Ma-stress ka. Wala akong nakikita rito gagawin ngayong week. Wala akong nakikita gagawin tong taong to sa'yo. So, talagang dumidistansya siya emotionally din. They're dropping this. The Ace of Pentacles, alam niyo yung ibig sabihin in reversed. Miss opportunity. Feeling nila, this is a missed opportunity. See? Hindi malaman ang gusto ng taong to. So, pinakamataas na energy na nakukuha ko sa kanila is they're feeling the missed opportunity pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Okay? The Three of Cups. Gusto pa rin nila to, pero dinadrop nila. How immature. Okay, so Earth, Water, Scorpio, and Air. So there. Next is Libra. Libra. Let's see. Your person's emotion this coming week for you. Let's check. Okay. So, tingnan muna natin kung sino ba itong taong to. Anong energy, anong meron, description. Who is this Libra? You're thinking of the person on your mind. The Nine of Swords in reversed. Some of you, hindi mo na siya masyadong pinag-iisip ngayon. Hindi ka na masyadong nag-i-stress about them. What's with this Nine of Swords in reverse? Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Some of you, you know this person is a liar, a cheater. They're stressed. Sila yung naglalakad na stress na iniiwasan mo na. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. Five of Cups. They regret everything. They're regretting this. Kung tumalikod ka dito, inalisan mo, marami silang regrets. This is the liar. Yung parang walang pakialam sa'yo. Ang daming tinatago, ang daming sikreto. Now, they're regretting everything. Kung ano man, I don't know. Siguro, mga ginawa niya sa'yo. Okay, so what is their emotion right now? Aside sa nagre-regret sila. Hindi mo na ito masyadong pinag-iisip. May chance na nilayuan mo to, inalisan mo kasi sobrang na-stress ka na. Ito yung tinik. Oo. No? So, tingnan natin. Maybe, mas pinili mo yung peace of mind over this. What is their emotion right now for you? The King of Pentacles. What's with that? Strength. Some of them, sabihin natin, yeah, the Tower is here. Gusto ng taong to makipagayos. Yeah. Gusto nila na sabihin nating bumawi. I don't know kung gagawa sila ng action. May chance. The Tower is here din. May chance na gumawa ito. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. The energy na pwedeng sabihin nating pagpapaawa effect. Paawa effect. So that's their emotion. That's their energy this coming week. Magpapaawa effect sa'yo. Yeah. Kung hindi man, itong taong to may chance na totally mag-focus sa kanilang kaperahan, sa kanilang career, sa kung ano man. Para hindi masyadong maisip ng maisip itong inyo. Okay? So, actually, this person needs you. They need you. Ramdam na ramdam nito yung kawalan mo, Libra. Ramdam na ramdam niya yung separation. They're stalking you right now. Yeah, they're stalking you. Some of them, pwedeng pinapakitan lang na wala silang pakialam sa nangyayari. Pero, sa totoo lang, apektado sila. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Cups, the World in reverse. Kunyari masaya, pero deep down, yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. This is a big missed opportunity. Alam nilang sila ang sumira nito. Alam nila yon. Now, gusto nilang bumawi. I don't know kung kailan. So, maybe, this week, may makikita ka, may mahihita ka from them. Some of you. So, yeah, you have here Leo, Capricorn, Air. So, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Next, Scorpio. Hi, Scorpio. Let's see, let's check your person's emotion this coming week for you. Scorpio placements. Tingnan natin. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe while I'm shuffling. Tingnan natin anong description ng taong to para malaman mo na siya to. Scorpio. Anong meron sa person mo? Who's this person? Knight of Pentacles. May pagka-slow motion yung person. Alam niyo yun? Oo. Hindi ko alam. In general, may pagkamabagal siya. May ganyan. Iba sa kanila, meron silang money issue. Anong meron dito sa Knight of Pentacles? The Fool. Hinihintay mo to na gumawa ng action. Yeah. Hinihintay mo, nababagalan ka sa kanya actually. Nababagalan ka sa kanya. Maybe this person is hindi pa rin gumagawa or uma-action about love offer maybe. Okay. Bagal ka na dito. Naiinip ka na sa kanya. Inip ka na, Scorpio. The Wheel of Fortune. Inip ka na. Knight of Cups in reverse, Eight of Swords. Kailan kaya siya gagawa ng aksyon papunta sa akin? Parang ganon. So, pwedeng Aries. Let's see. Ano bang emosyon nito right now? Yeah, this coming week. For you, Scorpio. Their emotions. Death. What? Anong meron sa death? Okay. Ooh, the Ace of Cups. May chance na may magbago na. Okay, pagdating dyan sa mga action niya sa iyo ngayon. Okay? Yeah. The Knight of Swords, gagawa na to ng action. Like, fast action. They will take a risk. Okay? This is like biglaan. I don't know how. Gagawa ito ng action na pwedeng magpapahayag ng kanilang emotion for you. Takot rin kasi itong taong to na mawala na lang to bigla. Yeah. Expect. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng new person to. Yeah. Pwedeng new person. The Fool, the Ace of Cups, yes. Six of Pentacles in reverse, the Five of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, may chance na merong someone pa from the past, like recently, may nangyaring breakup or maybe sa part nila. Okay? So, may chance na yes, there's this a new energy na pwedeng dumating this coming week for you. Pero, yun nga, hindi pa healed yung energy. So, I don't know kung mag-workout. Lagi ko naman sinasabi yon. Okay? So anyway, expect changes this coming week. Kung nababagot ka na, nabubugnot ka na sa taong ito, kasi sobrang bagal na bagal ka na sa kanya, may gagawin na siyang something this coming week. Okay? So there. So we have here water, Scorpio, Aries, and Earth sign. Okay. So next, Sagittarius. Sagittarius placements. Let's see. Let's check your person's emotion this coming week for you. Pero yeah, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe while I'm shuffling. Tingnan natin. Sino ba itong taong to na iniisip mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Description ng tao, Sag. The Eight of Cups. Iniwanan mo, iniwanan ka, nag-walk away. Itong taong to. What's with this Eight of Cups? The Two of Swords. So, dumisisyon itong taong tong iwan ka. Now, you're sad, you're lost. Okay? May nangyaring breakup sa inyo ng taong to. Niwanan ka niya, I don't know why. Sinasabi lang dito na umalis siya. Nilayuan ka. So, anong meron? Emotion niya for you right now. This coming week nga. May narinig ako, stubborn. Emotion. The Empress in reversed. And hindi sila invested dito sa connection nyo na to. You won't hear from them. What's with the Empress in reversed? Yeah, the Knight of Swords. Page of Pentacles. So I think, ang nakikita ko rito, no, ang focus na niya is bago. Whether, yeah, in general, new things, new energies. Yun na yung focus niya sa ngayon. But yeah, you're always in their mind pa rin. Okay? Nasa utak ka pa rin ng taong to, hindi ka pa rin talaga nawawala. Pero yeah, ang focus na nito ngayon is bago. In general. See, the Six of Swords. Marami na siyang gustong magawa, marami na siyang gustong mangyari sa buhay niya. Maybe, feeling nila walang mangyayari dito sa connection ninyo, kaya siya umalis. The Empress. There's no progress. No, sabihin natin, growth. Development. That is why. Kaya siya lumabas na dito sa connection nyo na to. Dumesisyon na siya actually. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Wands. No, the Ace of Swords in reverse. Again, the Six of Swords. So, alam ng taong to na walang patutunguhan yung inyo. Kaya, umalis na siya. Or, paalis na talaga kung hindi pa naalis. Okay? Dumidistansya na yung person. I'm sorry. So, yeah. Sana wala ditong energy ng third party kasi Two of Swords, that is pagpili. The Empress, meron din. Anak, ganyan, parang ganun, no? The Ace of Swords in reverse, this is talking about lies, unsure. Anyway, so we have here air, Taurus, Virgo, Libra. Air and water. Next is Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn. May angel number ako for you, 555. Okay. So, it's talking about changes in general. Pero tingnan nyo pa rin sa Google kung ano pa yung ibang meaning ng angel number 555. So, Capricorn, what's your person's emotion for you this coming week? Emotion, thoughts, feelings. Let's see. Ay, sorry. Okay. Capricorn. So, sino ba itong taong to? Sino ba siya? Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Anong meron sa kanya? Description. The Ace of Wands. Passionate. Some of them, they're sabihin nating attractive. Whether babae, lalaki, kung ano man ang gender niya, they're attractive. What's with this Ace of Wands? Seven of Swords. May nangyaring no label sa inyo. Friends with benefits maybe. Tumakbo yung connection nyo because of the sex. Sex base. Energy. Tagong connection ang meron kayo nitong taong to. The Knight of Cups universe. Hindi sila consistent. Emotionalize, hindi rin. Hot and cold. They like you though. They're attracted sa'yo. This person still wanting na magkaroon ng new beginning with you. They're stalking you, I think. The Seven of Swords. They're watching you. They're looking for you. Okay? So, let's see. What is their emotion right now? Yeah, this coming week for you, Capricorn. Emotion. Some of you, may mga nakatago kayong pictures na talagang pang-private lang. That's specific. Okay. Ano na naman yung binubulong sa akin? Oh, okay lang ako sabihin yun, syempre. Eight of Wands. They want to communicate, actually. They want to communicate. Some of them, meron silang tinitingnan something. Maybe, ini-scroll nila yung mga, sabihin nating, mga napag-usapan nyo, like that. Pictures. What's with this Eight of Wands? The Star in reverse. The Sun. Gusto ng taong tong ipagpatuloy pa tong kung ano man ang meron sa inyo. Sa totoo lang. Kahit parang feeling hopeless. Kahit feeling walang mangyayari dito. Ikaw ang gusto niya. Justice in reverse. Some of you, there's infidelity here. There's cheating. There's this energy of third party involved. Pero ikaw ang gusto nito. Gusto nito na magpatuloy pa yung connection yung Capricorn. They feel na talagang iniiwan mo to. Some of you. iniiwan mo na siya. Ang daming insecurities ng taong to. Yeah, see, the Lovers, the Page of Pentacles. Gusto nito na, yes, meron ulit na may magsimula uli sa inyong dalawa. Hindi sila healed. Ayaw nila mag-healed. Ayaw nila. They're not ready to face new energies, to face new opportunities because, yeah, comfortable itong taong to sa energy mo. You're there, sabihin natin comfort zone. Oh! You're their comfort zone. Okay, so we have here Aquarius, fire sign, air, and fire. Next, Aquarius. Okay, so Aqua. Let's see. Let's check your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings for you this week. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Aqua. Aquarius. So, sino ba tong taong tong iniisip mo? I have to shuffle. Isa pa. Okay, sino tong taong to? The King of Pentacles in reverse. The self-centered person. The practical one. Oo. Some of them, they're boss. They're business owner. What's with this King of Pentacles in reverse? Ten of Swords. Ito yung taong madalas kang sinasaktan. Madalas kang sinaktan. The Three of Swords. The Three of Pentacles. Ang daming 3. Ito yung taong siguro ilang beses ka nang sinaktan pero tinatanggap mo pa rin. At na talagang kahit ilang beses mong i-forgive, kaya mo. The Devil. Ngayon lang ako nakikita ng ganito. The Devil, tas 3. So may chance, no? Na meron ditong third party involved. Yeah, the Ace of Cups. Ang dami. Ace of Cups. So, itong taong ito, mahilig manakit. So, mahilig siyang manakit. Napaka-specific nun. I mean, napaka-general. Pero yes. Kasi basta kanila, wala silang pakialam sa mararamdaman mo. Basta sila secured. Basta sila makakaramdam ng comfort. Okay? Self-centered. May andun yung energy na yes, sarili lang nila talaga yung iniintindi at iniisip. Na backstab ka na ng taong to ng ilang beses. Some of them, ito, napaka-specific. Kung kasal kayo, hindi niya sinusuot yung marriage ring. Hindi niya sinusuot. Kahit ikaw, iba sa inyo, sinusuot mo yung iyo. Pagdating sa workplace, may chance na meron silang ka-affair doon. Secret affair. Mga specific ha, yan ang sinasabi ko dito. Let's see. Anong emosyon ito for you? Responsibilities niya, tinatalikuran niya. Sinaktan ka nito in general. There's separation for some of you. Okay? Justice in reversed. Infidelity, cheating, third party. They're not fair. Okay? Hindi sila patas sa'yo. Nagsisinungaling sa'yo. Nagtatago na kung ano. Why? What's with this justice in reversed? Two of Cups. Page of Wands. This person is a flirt. They're a player. Yeah, iba sa inyo, yes, magkasama. Pero pag nakatalikod ka na, iba na. Iba na to. Hindi mo na alam mga pinagagawa. The Three of Cups. Yung iba kasi sa kanila, no, napaka-friendly. Friendly. Yeah. Ayun ang sinasabi lagi ng taong to. Kaibigan ko lang yun. Oo. May nakaka-resonate dito. Magaling siyang magsalita. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Tingnan natin tong Two of Cups. What's with this? Six of Swords. Okay, Death. Two of Wands. They're on a crossroads. Iba sa inyo, kung talagang hiwalay na kayo nito, may chance ng, yes, gusto niya bumalik. Gusto niya makipag-ayos. Yeah. Gusto niya i-fix lahat yung mga dapat i-fix dito. Pero, yeah. They're regretting over this, kung ano man yung mga nagawa nila. They want to commit na already. They want to fix the marriage. For some of you. Magkaiba po yung energy, ha. Merong magkasama kayo pero talagang ginawa na lahat ng gusto niyang gawin kahit hindi mo alam. Okay? And yeah, kung hiwalay kayo ng taong to, may nangyaring separation, they want to go back, they want to make a return, they want to fix things, they want to clear the air with you. Okay? Pero I don't know kung magkakaroon kayo ng pagkakaintindihan nito this time. Yeah. Hindi mo makikita yung gusto niya, yung intention nila. So, medyo malabo pa rin. Pero yeah, may energy yung person na gusto niyang gumawa ng way papunta sa'yo, pabalik sa'yo. Okay, so we have here Scorpio, Air, Water, Libra, Air, and Capricorn. Next is Pisces. Okay. Pisces placements. Your person's emotions. Okay. Thoughts, feelings this week. Para sa'yo, Pisces. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pisces placements. Your person's emotion this coming week. Tingnan natin. Description ni person. Sino ba ito? Sino ito? Pisces. Okay, may nalaglag. The Page of Cups in reversed. It's like energy of a crush. Page of Cups in reversed. The World. Pwedeng online crush mo. Yeah, an online crush. Yeah, the Sun. Yeah, this is a crush. Nagsimula tayo sa mga sobrang strong, no? Sobrang daming issue, tas bumagsak tayo sa ganito, no? Yeah, parang okay, patapos naman na. Pahinga-hingahin natin yung energy. So, Pisces, this is your crush. Or crush ka ng taong to. Pwedeng online. Sa online kayo nagkikita. Or sa online lang kayo nagkakaroon ng communication. Like that. Okay? So, what is your emotion? Okay. Some of them may nag-i-invest na dito, ha? Okay, may nag-i-invest na. Anong meron? The Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, may nag-i-invest na dito. Gusto ng taong to na may mag-workout sa situation. They're focused. The Hanged Woman. They're focused on you. Strength. Ace of Pentacles. They want connection. They want relationship with you. Pisces. This is a new person, I think. Ace of Pentacles. Page. The Wheel of Fortune. This person likes you. May chance na gumawa ito ng effort papunta sa'yo. May chance na habang nanonood ka ng TV, pwedeng bumisita to. Mga ganong bagay. Iba sa inyo ha, ano to, malayo sa'yo. Malayo sa'yo. Sobrang layo. Pwedeng ibang bansa, mga ganyan. So, they're invested here. They like you. Alam mo yung energy na nagsimula sa crush, pero unti-unting lumalalim. Yeah. Nag-i-invest tong taong to sa'yo actually. They have a lot of plans para sa inyong dalawa in the future. Yes! May ganon. Opo, may ganon eh. Well, tagabasa lang naman ako eh, no? So, yeah, yun ang aking nakikita for you. All signs. So, well, kunin muna natin to. So, we have here Pisces, Earth, fixed sign, Taurus, Scorpio, Leo, and Aqua, and water sign. I think this is Cancer yan because of the crab. Okay, so there. Okay, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!